Tobe. Tobe. Naba, I send you greetings from President Mahama and all your comrades in Accra. Professor Kwabra Ahoy, Totobi Kwachi, and the others, they send you greetings.
Now, I thought I was going to Accra. That's all the same way to you, Yola, say, at our home.
I'm always happy when I come to Naga here because I feel like I am home.
Come on, I tell you, because I'm going to want to
because I'm sure that for chieftaincy, maybe Naba will be playing the role that I am playing now. That is why we value the friendship between us and Naba and the people of Naga. The reason I have to come here is that this year's campaign has been divided into 3 campaign teams. First one is led by His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, and I lead the second one, and the third one is led by the running mate, Professor Nana Opoku Ajiman. We can all not be at all places at the same time, so we have divided the country into areas where President Mahama will go, areas where the running mate will go, and the other areas where I will go.
To say ingate engabona kala dina double de la yona nganande election yona country leula banya kukula kunora kotala His Excellency John Dramani Mahama presidential candidate aleta nere sebata tonaba tabalemo tarazia tabatola tona te aleda the national chairman alemo tara nere sebata tonaba alemo tarazia tabatola ya deke incoming vice presidential candidate Professor Jena no Bokwatima alemo tara nere bata tonaba wa mutara weka seka tabalemo tona weha basote awa kandina domala.
And I chose to visit areas outside the constituency capitals. That is why I'm here.
The Inga Tuna de la Inga in the general de na field mashallah. Inga Belas ye seka nda Chenga Sokala, Inga Belak in Kerala, Chena, Basso that Nawa Kalangala.
Because I'm a grassroots man, so I always want to deal with the grassroots.
Because Inga de la Nerabandera, Inga de Nerabandera, they won a Gomarambo in Kerala and Asena, Inga Bata Bonella, won Lambos de la Kawana Bakuma. If
I decided to do a rally for Navrongo constituency in Navrongo town, then all of you would have to be carried into a big function, and then I'll come and address you, and I'll have no idea about your current road conditions here. I'll have no idea about the telephone network, the water you drink, and all the other problems. So we decided to do this retail campaign so that we visit the various communities, and when you are there you understand the conditions they are living in, and when you go into government and the MP presents a case of development before you, then he can have witnesses who testify that what is demanding is justified, and therefore it ought to be granted. That is why I came.
Say Ingala Dela, Inga Zengala, Ambu Wamtabona, Tenga Sokala, Navano Tengapon, say to Lezengati Getamina, Ya call the Pie Bila, which is Ingata City, a yellow outla. Polema Cambo, sorry, Tabange, Tamanams Plan Sena, Awati, Ingana Navanyata, Sosana, Akayela Sulabala, Bonuzo Bobi, Deda Sulaima, Hokunate. Ya telephone ya hangu ila tokawana batora ya kawana hanna na ti ya buguna ya katarala ko ti nyura ko maskula bunu zozuwe enga mo na ken tabona tenga sokala ya yi wa ata ingala ngadi kan ni nyabo na bala tere woni sake tirulan la di te to jama ma hanchenga te ma hanchenga watin MP te ma wa wara bazia wetin badla ngati ta bona formo te ma wa yele bale pa ngala bang ko ne sira be ko da sira te am di kan ni ko nyangala an wa to ala nare mo na bi da na yima de na ba yi yeti o ko de la sira ba ma ngada sira pazi la sira nyata ko annabala te babe te ko mal bato bala ingate ngabe se te ken kerela tingeta tona ta bang na nare bala si ba nongun de sina.
I'm sure if we were in a big rally in Navrongo, we may not have called Naba to give a welcome address and then to tell us about the road condition. And we also have no idea because we met in Navrongo and we didn't come here. So we wouldn't have applied the road and there wouldn't be opportunity for anybody to talk about the conditions of the road. So you agree with me that this type of smaller meetings in communities are far more important than bigger rallies in district and regional capitals.
Aiti inga bicha yirsiena ya sakana che kankarasala o sentina kankarasala wona nere bala na musuko nyese na mara ula ko ana son kana o setu bona tenga sukala se ingala inga buka wakala tana bakayel ba pal inga ta ingala ngabange na muna titu bola tenga sukala bala te ba wi nerba to wa ko ta ente da na ba ita anye sore toy nerba la man tin zuri te baba ta enga to ta resist ba sing zula ko ta ente na ba kan toy na ba na ka toy de na tengala malo ninga anala ata engala ngambange na ba atengala ense to baba ta sina to amiti yata yan sakate enga yese de serate awa karela ngala ay se de bange sen daniela to ba wa government pon te bata mal boya.
So the chief, I have heard your plea, and so when we go into government, I'll be your witness, and I'll try and do whatever it takes to help to grant what you want.
Naba, I think I won't koala, and then the cat take a dinner sell pake pa. Te when he sake, te na ulanko yese buka, ko di te presidential and parliamentary, te to what in government. Enga yeta tokora bora ha udela na musara menga dela na musara menga to do ko nare do to se na ko maya abantu budela selan kano anambe guzung to sula mal ko.
The earlier speakers have spoken about what we will be doing when we come to power. I'm just going to say something small about how we can get to power. Otherwise, our dreams will remain in our heads. So I'm not going to talk about what we will do when we are in power. I'm going to give a little advice about what we should do to be able to come to power. And the message will be more to NDC people rather than the other electorates in the community.
I just say about the Tola, but then lucky Yalanga Senga, Palto, when in Sake. Te so wa panga pon ya nsake ye diboto te gana wula diboto te wa ngbon sebala te ka to ba wula no re de te to ba seba de nga kamba te mantin to ba lezozuwe de bale de la te so wa panga mtin ta ba enge se paklele de la te ngala ngati wa panga la pon te ya wa pa panga la pon te ambe ko na ba zu inga ta atola te te ingse te ta wa panga la pon anana bala se te to na wula la wula zu te ke ta ko to inga ta atola.
Well, I'll speak in parables, and by the end of my parables, just 3 parables, by the end of the 3 parables, you understand the message I'm trying to carry across.
Te almost man is tona songa one bang antor sena e awa to bala yam bange ambata ayil sena the puro bako.
The first parable is the parable of donkeys.
Te anding ninga ta to sekula itu kudela bonse kudela to sekum dul na bonse to.
Once upon a time there was a farmer with 4 donkeys. And when he was going to farm, he tied a rope around the necks of 2 of the donkeys. And he heaped their food, donkey food here, and then heaped the other donkey food here. But the rope around their necks was not long enough for each of the two to reach the food to eat.
Aiti sana kayima wo bonebi wotole te nera wo bonebi tara bonses nase la ta de kimia de ke ba yillo na ta de ke ba yillo na ta ya de ke bonse dia de ke bingizia te bonsla yese te de misla ba de kollo la mo de girio so ba ka bonsla se nase la kan ta pa dia la de te a chelsea se bugla.
So when the farmer was away and the donkeys were hungry, each of them was struggling to reach their food first. So while this one is pulling to reach the food, the other one was also pulling to reach the food. But the two of them cannot reach their food at the same time. So the more they struggle, the more they strangle themselves.
See, Bosla, Danala, the Karala, our Chingla family, they bahal Dunsila, a Bosla, they to Badiala Bona. Te ko watara bonsala to ba gate bade bana gate badela te misla mo de la girgu to bakampala to ba ya tira panga to bade ba velata te ila vechinke ba vere bala te miela ya man kora ba konkwan to kana ngona mo ba ngwa vera ta be to beta o kinde ka de diala ke ka de nanam kan de diala ko ngabonga kan de diala de diala ka de ba veta ko.
So when the farmer returned, the two donkeys were found dead. Each one's nose was touching the food. This one's nose was touching the food. But the road has been pulled and stretched, and they died hungry without eating the food.
Oh, te Karala Zale, Avame Wana, our partner Bosla will Kigamu, Tibim, but Veta wa Mora Diala, te Banyala Nanata Kalna Diala, et Bakati Diala, Beinga, te Mihila Kapage. Miela kapala ba beta ba mordiala ba miela kalne diala ye bakati diala kinako.
So the farmer came and carried the donkeys away and buried. Then the following day when he was going to farm, he removed the same rope around the dead donkeys and put it around the last two, and then left the food there and went to farm.
Say awa wanyati wakibala ta fo bonsesi sigin kila ta umbale dege ba yise wangela le lo ba ngana we anda lo ba seba la sena de ne ba ba no de ke le bingu de ti mi la ke na ba girga de chin fami ba mi tuba mi to kim de cha za ita ile sena.
But this time when he returned, they had eaten the two heaps of food and they were all jumping about and jubilating. So he asked them, "How did you do it?" Then they said that we saw our friends struggle and die without eating the food. So when you left and we were hungry, we decided to go together and eat this first heap. Then after that, we move here and eat the second heap. And that's how come we've been able to eat and we are very satisfied.
Bonsala ngala de bonse senta yampa setala yam saying ala baleke kiba de tegabo apana bakamu bosara te karala ya soko bise bala ja konja ko bale ko ngala ngate yan ke vade ka ki beto bama dal joto bama nya bala ja ingse ki le bam gele ko do na la ba woki so ba nyok la yan ta parce que bam ita anda ne bala mana huntin do ta da kampera ta lanta de kala de ba kala le ba filan le ta de kala so ba ngala ba de la tege ta kara waka mamiti amita wa pala ba kita da kita ku awa pala ko de la mama te na ba de tege mu kita.
This is a message to NDC people. Every position will be fought for. And after fighting for the position, one person will win. If all the others say that, well, we all want to eat the same food at the same time, we all die together. But if we agree and join the first person to eat same heap of food. Then after eating it, we can all move to the second heap of food and we will eat it and we will all be satisfied. So those of you who have gone into this contest to determine who our candidate is, a candidate has been chosen. It is up to you if you want to die with the candidate so that nobody goes to parliament, or you join the one who is there now to go to parliament, so that when your turn comes to go to parliament, he will also join you and you go to.
I'm going to go general. So I understand that Atonga Palatman, the NDC Nerabala, that is Zamsa Sela saying Osala Bona, da Yemu, in contest, to the report about I was out the people, and then a candidate, and I winning, and the thing parliament, and the NDC, the Machin government. To Lemon and Cantate, dear Lambot and Ningana, say, I mind the only one in Sang Hello, what I am what day. Najeti in one of my bonsai sending beta cola. The 18 Cante, the beta, related to look. Naziget battered in Yoko Yam. One of my bonsai in Yasevan key, dead bank and do bala. In Yoki Bagula Lantat, Bataticala, combat Bataticala. Jim Batat in Renina, the Nerval Lola, Chinga, Machili MP, the government now at the Ulanya Matisena, Kosua Enga, to put up Kawa Padare. To let the Nata Imam Lechinga, to let Ninamuda will be the MP, but the Wula and water, they put a Imam Lanchinga to part the Tambo at the Tamo, they can Kinacom, it is dear that the Linga at a set tens of Salapon.
So, my message to Navrongo Central is that if we all want to eat and survive, let us all eat and survive. If we don't want to eat and survive and we want to kill ourselves, we all die together.
So I think Inga Yetayel Sepa na Forum Tenga Suka, then a constituency de la Diet were Dugut Kazat Nenga, Diala na Pelaku gave into the day. The same about to Beta Co to Dialazia, later the key, who will let the Manzia. You get about it in Yokayam. To Rula de Diakayama Basa, the Mbati Landota, later the Kala, let the Rulata Pump, and Rulata Pupelo, who gave on Atizia. Inga can Tracelata Yel Gante, Abahabakama, Maya Batina to Inga.
After the primaries, the situation was very bad. I came here and intervened, and I'm happy the level of cooperation now. But always, it is not the individuals involved, but there are supporters on the field. The individuals will be working together, but the supporters will say, if it is not Samson, no Samson, then no Simon. Then the others will say, no Simon, no Samson. If you don't come together, both Simon and Samson will die together. And none of them will eat anything. Because, but if we decide that let us push so that Simon will go, when Simon goes, Samson will get something. But if Simon loses, when Samson comes to Accra, to my office to look for position, I'll say, but you lost your constituency. So what are you coming here for? So those of you who still insist that we are Samson supporters, if he doesn't win, Simon will not go. You are damaging Samson. You are damaging the person you are trying to help. Because if we lose, we all say Navrongo Central has lost. We may share the positions and Navrongo Central will not get any. But if we come together and we win, and we are counting those who have contributed to the victory, they will count Navrongo Central. And anybody there who helped will also have his due. So we beg you, there is no way you can take the name of Navrongo Central away from Samson's name. If we lose Navrongo Central and something comes to Accra, you say something, we have lost your constituency. You understand? Me, I left Parliament more than 18 years ago. More than that. I mean, close to 20 years ago. But today, if they are mentioning time, they will say time is Asiedu Ketia's country. So once you are MP there, your name is attached. So please, those of you who don't know, who think that engaging in skirt and blouse and other things is a way of helping Samson, you are damaging both Samson and Simon. You are behaving like the first two donkeys who stretched and died and nobody got the food. You understand? You have stopped the interpretation. Because it affects him, he doesn't want to.
General Yeta, Atoranga Borala, Kurdolbala, De Amiti, Kuruka Planning, Kuredana, Seven Azalati, the people of the Bunadingana, Udela Dollar, Debala, Yanabati, Yelebona, saying a ladilla, Aleta Basse, Etibati, Hana Valendra, Azala, Inchinga, Balakiti, Badosi, Nambubila. Was so a panning, Te Alem was Aldare. Mama never moved it. Hana Manchega, Alem get by Puti, Alem Chinga because Mama Lazala, Alem never let a put. Where I don't want to make two things, was less healer, and that the other Zabadina, Yeti, Banyaka, and the other Bacadit in the corner, Colebala. And again, I don't hear to about the Honorable Samson. Sinka Tumboma, Termante, to Jomamati, Te Bahua, Bazet, to Uncle them to Jomama Yamandi, Te Honorable Samson, who are English here. As national chair Matabat Lasela. Inga ita so give say a constituency la adiabe akade. Ankade a constituency. Alem kul na varongo de baba be hira seba de ba constituency dozu. Ba wa ba de te sela mbona. De inga no kumina sela kan bona. Te ale wa yidi sanga de la anzia. Tulen la anzia na kon. De te dia ko na bit na bote deta. Tadam bun bote ko pona varongo. De te ngo na timngale inga akanye mamu kanye tera wo mta de la anzia. Inga ita yelzi na bala iti. Tera ka ba ko wa bala. They also put go to MP. Also, I say, Nana can tell for Honorable Samson you and Navarro because I told you that MP la are you Gabimu. In a parliament, Yehila, you are Piana, when Nina, Yetam boat and a very meeting. Anytime Sala in a constituency time, when it is a constituency like Nana in a be young singer thing by his yellow. So Nana can tell to see something honorable, you and Navarro, Tengasoka. Timina to see about Honorable Samson. Basic about a will take a vote of Boma. That can tell you what my Samson was an alarm was an Samson. The man the boss says in the first boss the island they did to kill him. And I'm about to key. Let me take about the key. Yamat key.
The second message is to you.
This is question I demand in your home at the correct.
You see, when you go to a village in the night, you hear dogs barking. Whoa, 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 whoa. They are fighting over a piece of bone. The dog that manages to pick the bone will not be able to bark. All the others will be barking around. Why? Because the moment it opens the mouth to bark back at those who are barking, the bone will drop and some other dog will pick it. So you are the one now holding the bone in your mouth. You are the dog with the bone in your mouth. So at this stage, all the insults, garbage will be heaped on you. The moment you try to argue back or insult people back, you are opening your mouth and then the bone will drop. When it drops, another dog will take it. So the position you are occupying now, you are like the refuse dump. Everything can be dumped on you, but don't fight back. And tell your supporters not to fight back, even if they are provoked. Because that will mean that you win the argument, but you will lose the seat. So try to loop the argument and win the seat.
Ayeti hande na masima urgo candidate la kwa sangala enge tinde la tora ugo mu nore parce que l'homme peka on a mu Jesus Christ bal pona le kala mo bet do gami e ko ko ram ko la ko ya esiete ndola ba te sama eta to ko la ndu o wodi na yeba de kia to ya de manenga mana ka batun ko lu ya batun ko lu ya na songoma ya songoma te la cantara que te po la cantara no que te po te pura ko la songa e to ma ya da ana se de la batun na bo to yeli yele ngat ko ken kala ko kala yehe wonde na sera mamalu yele ntuwe de ka tom wonde na sera da sangu yele mbak ko kala yehe kala naka iti ila da dola Samson ila la dola Parituga ila dola Payos mbat na bo te de nan nera te lan ton na ba wallahi batu la ta wata ninga te ko tona te tona te pa pa de yela te ma mo nyama ba de sina te ta wa tona barola te na baro ta porwa ko tula.
The last message is that when it comes to voting, the vote of the most useless person in the society has the same weight as the vote of the most important person in society. So, if you say that, oh, as for these people, they don't matter, we can win without them. This man is only a weed smoker, leave him, we can win without him. You are preparing yourself to lose with them. So make sure that every vote counts, so that anybody who feels offended, you are looking for something, you should be looking, chasing him, trying to convince him and so on. Don't say that the party is full or I can win without them. We have occasions in this party where we have lost a seat with 3 votes. Sema East, we lost it with 3 votes. At the day they will count and they will see that you have lost with 3 votes. I should have gone to convince these Kobolo boys who have been sitting in the street to vote for me. But you didn't. And so it cost you the whole seat. So the message to you is the message of the leper. You know, the most difficult assignment you ask a leper to do is to fetch water for you in calabash, because the leper has no fingers to hold the calabash. So if you say the leper should go and fetch water and you give him a calabash, it is very, very difficult. You understand? But you know the easiest thing a leper can do? If you have a calabash full of water and it is sitting on a table and you ask the leper to spill the water, it is the easiest thing to do because the hand is already enough. So you just knock it and then the water will spill. So if you think somebody is so useless, he cannot help your campaign, think about how that useless person can destroy your campaign.
Aita kupa ziela kuso wate utedinu hi bakata lawyer voti dena toka batara president voti dena toka batara accountant voti batara car voti batara driver voti voti bakana ko yemte wa pega ganta ni na voti zula alende kole ingala mbese nrapo te tadele nina ita sunge te batisena tretanye mpara nrapo te toda na nrapo te da kampera nraba te banzezi yele inga onana baseba kanana baseba be nraba wule ba wata ninga te ba vote boto te nyete batisena wala kaiti banangana bakuna na ko bolo bale baka tono dala sore bale kombedo bana kombela beto to na ba umina te kombet la bala ta wa vote ko to wadde eke market tema is para inga balate te da won lusi sit la bala ne benga tan te ho lusi ne benga tan la bala wi to ran ko to na nanga wa tan ko gele ne ba tan to de nga ho da dia de to ta mutole de lebin de la hunda lusi ne ra pona yete ho ka to na ila nga ba te ila pakana na ho ila da hun du ta da na ila on na bala wula la se te passe repese se mbobila amakala makare de se le makala emba le boruma te wato ma later I continue.
So that is the end of my story. Anytime you wake up, think about the parable of the donkey, the parable of the dogs with the bull, and the parable with a leper.
Te bon batan la ta yella, de sin kuliri te bon yire, te tira bon na ba batan, te bonsala yella na na tukoni yella leper. Tiela bunga, tiela bunga ne pagela na bala yella. Bale bona ba batan, ta te tira.
So thank you very much for listening. I may not come here again till the election, but I'm confident that you will learn lessons from these three parables, and come December 9th, I expect to hear that we have won Navrongo Central together, and everybody will enjoy together.
Te inga tumala zole inga te gana zola akanta ite inga le wakala otawa anate sanga kele bonata le wati zia wa soso na to te election do bala pare ya mi ta wa soso dena oda ko to zo ingere ko pode potere ete bon nam zena ate potere bon lerge mo te pe bona baba tata soso na tlezu te na forum le wula te wanye jo Mahamad na president te nyasi ma worgo mamenga te na MP te se na te nyala te nye de yel palet na wa nyaba ha ba mo ka nyi na gorngo te ba bot te na te nye se na e ayel se na mamiti tenton te apurpe barme e kan to apurpe te ko jena to mozozo.
So no skirt and blouse. If you are voting for Mahama, you must vote for Simon. If you don't want to vote for Simon, don't come and deceive us that you are campaigning for Mahama. There is no such campaign. You are either for the two of them or you are for none of them.